YKTV Frenchie, and y'all know the vibes. Today, we're starting the budget build Civic again. Happy to be in front of the camera once again, and man, feels good. So, it started to warm up, as you guys can see. The snow is leaving us, and we're excited. So, I'm gonna untarp the budget Civic, and we are gonna put the battery in, start it up. I'm gonna tell you guys the plans I have for this beauty. And yeah, so let's get to untarping it, putting the battery in, giving it a start. Let's go, baby. Yeah, we got the 17-year-old boomer out here. I don't know if the channel's seen the prelude.
What's up, guys?
This guy got this thing back on it. And yeah. The only good part of the car is right here.
Okay.
Let's look at this. Yep.
It's a project car, okay, guys?
Are you gonna do anything to it this year? Or?
Gonna do the body, gonna paint it, you know, just work around, see what we can do on a tight budget.
You're on a budget?
Yep.
All right, man.
Thank you.
We'll check in on you soon. All right.
Thank you.
All right.
All right.
All right, bro.
All right.
All right.
You know we shooting beams. I'm never switching teams. Stay making green. Oh wait, that's cap. Coming with the strap. Always slanging gas. Cause we speaking facts. Boy, I never lack. They call me Mr. Slaughter. Cause I fuck your daughter. I make that pussy water or come. I make that coochie numb while I grip the gun. Cause you know we having fun in this bitch. Your girl beat the drill. She
Hell yeah, man. Look at this thing. Inspirational with that unique paint job, the 101. The lip. We got the lip on there. She's mint. Yeah. I gotta fix up this fender. Came out like trash. Yeah. But once again, we got the sticker fire. And yeah, she looks mint. So look at that thing. That is freaking legendary, and I'm stoked, man. I'm so stoked right now. Okay, we got the battery in. This is a quick little look at the engine bay. Yeah, nothing much, just a D series. It is a Y7, and then it adds the Y8 head, and then this intake. But yeah, so let's try to start it up. The battery's in it now. Alright. See if she does it. Fuck. Alright guys, so you gotta love this part about cars. You gotta love it, because throttle cable snapped. I went to go touch the gas pedal, first start of the year, and it broke. So it sucks. I'll have to get a new throttle cable. Not too concerned about it. I feel like I'll be able to get one at the junkyard. Maybe even get two for a spare, just in case. Yeah, it just sucks. Look at that. So I can't even start. I'm not even gonna start the car today. Sucks. But I'm going to either pick up this video when I get the throttle body itself, or throttle body cable, my bad, or I am just gonna show you guys some parts I got for this thing. guys, so we moved it up out of here. Throttle still broken, but hopefully I'm gonna go get one soon, maybe in the next couple of days, hopefully fix that. Yeah, just an overview of the car. Aftermarket headlights, aftermarket grille. We got the lip as well. For some reason it sits super high. And then we got side skirts coming in on the inside. Peep the sticker. The sticker is fire. Oh shoot. Here's the interior. Nothing special. Leather shift boot. Probably 100% fake Mukin shift knob. Stereo. Cluster. It's the purple one out of the purple hatch, and I have plans on changing that into red to match the car. I also got a shift knob, and I got an aftermarket radio, and it's got leather seats in it right now. And yeah, it's pretty decent, guys. So that's basically it. I'm gonna put some cinematography in this video, and yeah, let's make a fire ass edit.
Terrorists, your game is through, 'cause now you have to answer to America. Fuck yeah!
Alrighty guys, it's your boy repping this video off. We moved the car, we put in the battery, we cleaned up the battery strap, and yeah, just this is the introduction to the budget build Civic. Kind of an overview. I got huge plans. It's gonna be turboed as well. There's gonna be a lot of sick videos on this. Hopefully I can make videos that you guys like and enjoy. And for now, guys, stay tuned. I'm gonna be uploading weekly starting now every Monday at 12 p.m. So if you guys like this video, like, comment, subscribe, and share to your friends. It's your boy YKTV Frenchie, and I'm signing off. Peace.
You know we shooting beams. I'm never switching teams. Stay making green. Oh wait, that's cap. Coming with the strap. Always slanging gas. 'Cause we speaking facts. Boy, I never lack. They call me Mr. Slaughter. 'Cause I